We cannot allow it to be a West year. As a new year, all learned the painful lessons this year taught us. 2022 must be the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. But it must also be the beginning of something else. Era of solidarity. With 2021 behind with sorrow, and look forward to 2022 in hope.
Alive, but something died of fear. I really tried to make it out. I wish I understood what happened to our love. It used to be so good. So when you hear me, darling, can't you hear me? SOS. And love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS. When you go, how can I even try to go? You mean that pink? Hey, that's also summer. No, from where inside? This is how it